Hello, what are you guys doing to keep busy? Today, I'm going to wash up the Mark 7 Golf. Wash it, vacuum it, clean the windows, a little bit of a spring cleaning. Get outside, get some fresh air. A little uncomfortable today, so I'm probably not going to move as fast as I could or would like to, but come along, check it out. Now that's out of the way, juggling around the cars, time to prep the door jambs, engine bay, then I can start with the rims, then we can wash it, dry it, clean out the door jambs, hood jam, trunk jam, and see what this paint, see what shape this paint is in. Okay, so I used to be a car detailer. I guess to some degree I still am. 20 plus years of detailing. So I still get my my products from the people that we used to use. Carbright. Hey Andrew. Hey Carrie, how you guys doing? So right now I'm just going to acid bath the rims and try to get them cleaned up. Alright, this is what it looks like. As good as new. What discoloration? What brake dust? Rims are brand new. save you guys a little bit of time and just show you what this looks like before and what it looks like after. So the outside's nice and washed up, but still have the inside to do. I'm not going to go crazy. Windows, wipe down the dash, center console, and vacuum. It needs a bit more love than the amount of energy that I have for today. So, all right, take a look at this. It goes, right? Work. No time to, essential things done, like clean this car up so you don't get sick, so your allergies stay in better check. All right, here goes everything. All done. Of course, the Audi got love too. Oh, it's warm in here, man. Not perfect, but just a quick clean. They both need a good waxing, good polish and wax. Actually, the Audi needs to be painted. What are you guys doing while we're in quarantine? Washing your car, detailing it, polishing it, waxing it, shampooing it, getting that winter out of it? Learning a new skill, brushing up on your photography, videography, learning a new language? That's actually not a bad idea. Picking up cooking, baking? Can't go out to eat, so who's cooking for you? Don't forget to check in on family. They'll want to hear from you, especially the older and the younger ones. There aren't any sports being played, so what are you doing for entertainment? Having quarantine babies? Picking out parts for your race car project? What is it that you guys are doing to keep occupied? Whatever you're doing, make sure you stay safe. And keep in mind, there are elderly around, so let's not get them sick. Let's, not keep this thing moving. The other question I have for you is, Do you think this virus is man-made? Is this from the 5G towers? Is this something that was cooked up to keep us all indoors for a little while? Or is it natural? Is it a natural evolution of the flu? What do you guys think? All right, well, I'll leave you with that to ponder. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Initial Speed out. Take care.